I saw this little gadget. I saw it on YouTube. Somebody built it, and I said, "Oh God, that's nice for ghost investigation." And decided to go. I went to the five and below store. Bought this one. It has a little fan on it. You can see I took the fan out, and I installed the control. But it's easy to build from Amazon. If you know how to solder, it's really nice. A little nice gadget. It really works with the speaker, the LED lights in here, and then I extended the LED lights. And this is what I came up with. I installed the antenna inside where the push button is for the fan, which I took the fan out. And all you do is lift it up. He has his own little limiter switch. Okay, let me see if I can get it up. I lift it up here. Yeah, let me give it a try. Well, with one hand and the other one holding the recorder is not easy. Okay, I'll put it in my lap. There you go. So it's considered, it's considered to be a REM pod. Yeah. And then you get, and the closer you get to it, it lights up. Let me see if you can see it there. See? Actually, I copied it from YouTube. A guy built it, and I said, "Hey, this is neat." The LED lights, you can get them from Amazon, 5mm, and then what I did was closed it, and that's what I used the control for. Yeah, batteries I put it in the bottom here. And if you like doing ghost investigation, this works. It works.
So this is just a little box that tea bags came in. I ended up getting this from Goodwill and just painting it. So you slide the top off. Hot glued my board down there. Battery, ran LED lights to where the lights were existing on the board. Also integrated a on-off switch. So works great.